No, they're mine. They're mine.
Oh crap.
Yeah!
What color are they?
No, he already has headphones.
What?
Two of them.
What color are they?
They're black.
Oh my.
I hope someone is videoing this. Wait, let me see. I can't see the bottom.
Connor, see, open it and see what color they are.
Hey, can I have them because Kyle already has two headphones?
How do I do the word?
Kyle, you need to be there with me to watch.
Kyle, come over here.
Jimmy Kimmel's gonna love that. What is it?
Still getting pumped.
What is it, Connor? I can't.
What is this stuff? I'm actually happy.
It's a can of beets.
I'll open them. Oh yeah.
Don't open them, Connor.